welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is a segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm standing inside a Zinger 340BH. This is a bunkhouse camper built with family in mind. It can sleep up to 10 people, it's triple slide, and even has a washer dryer connection. So let's get right into this. Let's start by heading in behind me into the main bunk room. This is where the kids are going to hang out. I think it's awesome because they put a couch directly across from an entertainment center. Very slick on Zinger's behalf. That entertainment center is going to host the storage for this particular unit. It's got closets and drawers on either side, a top bunk that can support 300 pounds. This unit is 50 amp service and has 2 ACs, one of which is back here in this bunk room. Off to the side, we have our slide. The slide itself has what we saw earlier, which is this couch. This couch is actually kind of neat because it hosts some cup holders. It can fold down into a jackknife. Down beneath it, we have another trundle bed. That guy lays flat, and if we pull these guys, we have a bunk here, making this room sleep 4 very, very easily. Let's pop back out into the main room, where we have our kitchen. Our kitchen is modest, but it works. So we have this L-shaped countertop space, a dual basin stainless steel sink, 3-burner stove with a glass cooktop cover. That's going to help extend your counter space there. Greystone microwave up above, a nice, decent sized electric refrigerator there. That's 12 volt. And then behind that, we have our bathroom. The bathroom features a corner glass shower. There's some storage in the form of cabinets, a medicine cabinet, as well as down under the sink there. Got a foot flush toilet too. Off to my left, we have a booth dinette. This is nice because it drops down into a bed that can sleep a couple of adults. The couch, also a jackknife, so it's going to lay flat too. It also has a couple of cup holders built into it. That's right across from our entertainment center. Our entertainment center has some storage built in around it. We have a sound bar that comes with it. A TV could be mounted up here. There's an electric fireplace down low. That is an electric heater, so it's going to help offset propane costs in the park when it's a little colder. Pushing into the master bedroom, we have a king bed. This is in a slide. It's east-west, so it allows us to walk around it. At the foot of it, we have a nice set, a chest of drawers there. Up above that, we have the ability to hook up a TV. Our mounting locations here with all of our hookups up above. The closet here is open. You can see we've got some hanging racks and shelving as well. And then also in here we have something super cool in the form of this large closet, which could potentially host a washer dryer should you choose to accept it. Guys, that's not all. The last thing I want to take you to see is outside. So let's pop on out there and check out the outside kitchen on this rig before we go. So here outside on the patio side of the RV, we have an outside kitchen. This nice big hatch that pops up, and it features a 2-burner Flame King stove that hooks into our propane system. We've got a sink out here, all plastic countertops so the water can't hurt them, and a nice big electric refrigerator. That's pretty slick if you ask me. That totally adds to your outside space. There's also, as you see, a spot to hook up a TV outside for outside entertainment. You guys, thanks for joining me on the RV Rundown. Until next time, happy camping.